Alright, what's up everybody? This is my second time recording this video and that kind of sucks, okay? But anyway, I'm gonna jump right into it. Thank you guys for tuning in. What I want to do today, real quick, is just kind of give you guys an update on my stocks that I am swinging. Alright. Before I get into that, I'd like to kind of tell you guys that um, I'm fairly new to swing trading. Okay, so I just took everything that I knew from day trading, and I'm implementing the same strategies into swing trading. I'm learning some new things. I'm also learning the Elliott wave theory, and I'm learning. All right, so you'll see me taking trades on different type of strategies. Okay, um, but it's been working for me. Okay, and I just want to share my progress with you guys, and if there's something that I could learn from you, that'll be great. If there's something you learn from me, that's awesome. All right, so this is why we're here, to share to share with each other, learn from each other, and kind of go forward. Okay, we're all, no matter how good we are, we're always going to be students of the game, or else we're gonna stay in the same place, and we don't want to do that. Okay, so let's get started. I'm gonna start off by talking about Airbnb, because yesterday I mentioned to you guys that I want to get into this, into a position over here, but actually I think I'm gonna have to pause the video for 1 second. All right. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. Where were we? Airbnb. All right. Yeah. Yesterday, I wanted to get into Airbnb. Okay. Yeah. Yesterday I made him a video about why I want to get into Airbnb. If you guys want to check out that video, it's in my. I'll post a link on in the below. All right. My alerts were set to Airbnb at 163. I was expecting this stock to sell off with all the other growth stocks that have been selling off, but it didn't. It's kind of getting bullish. I know some of my followers off of my video, and they decided to take this trade. This is great. They made a big move today. Made a nice move today. Let's see. Yeah, you got like a 4-5% gain on it. So that's great. Okay. I originally wanted it to come back down to this little square that I had drawn out on my charts for me to get in. So I haven't really taken a position yet. All right. I'm gonna still keep watching it really closely, and I will let you guys know once I do take a position on it. But it broke above this ascending resistance trend line, and it seems like that it's gonna stay above it. All right. I don't think it's gonna come down anymore. So I'm gonna keep an eye on it. Okay. But it does have a lot of resistance above, so let's see what happens. All right, now I want to talk about my entries on my new positions. Okay, today I took a position in GME. All right. GameStop. All right. GameStop had this move over here, all from, what is it, from $45 all the way up to $350. Okay, all because Ryan Cohen tweeted a picture of a ice cream cone. All right, that is how strong this stock is. Okay, no matter what everybody tells you, no matter what the CNBC analysts want to tell you about how, oh, it's a bubble, it's gonna burst, and it's gonna bring everybody down with it. No, it's not. It's really not. Okay. Yeah, I mean, if someone doesn't know what they're doing, they can invest in any stock and lose money. Okay. So here's my plan on how I'm planning on trading GameStop. Okay. I took a position in the stock today as I saw volume ramp coming in over here right about 11:30, 12 o'clock, and 12:30. All right, that's Pacific Standard Time, so that's power hour for me. All right, so I took a position in it. I actually added. I bought some and then I added some. So as of right now, if you'll see here, GameStop is actually my biggest position. All right, it goes from biggest to smallest. That's how it is. I know you're gonna say, "Oh, how come you're down on your biggest positions and you're up only on your smaller positions?" Well, that's because I take profit on my trades if they're winning trades. I do not. I mean, unless they're losing, then I cut it. But I do not. I add as it dips, and I take profit as it goes up. Okay, so that's why normally when you see my P&L, you're gonna see that most of my stocks that are the biggest stocks are that I'm holding are probably the ones that I have not resolved yet. Because if they do resolve, the minute my trades resolve, I take profits. Okay, I take profits at 3%, depending on the stock, but sometimes 3%, 5%, 7%, 10, 15, 30, whatever. You know what I mean? I take profits on rips. That's my strategy. Anytime any stock extends off of the EMAs, I take profits. Okay. See, even right now, I have an order in to sell GME at 188. Some shares of my GME at 188, just to get in that quick profit cushion. And if it comes back down to these levels and doesn't hold, I mean my original buy areas, and it doesn't hold, then I'll probably stop out of it. Okay, but if it does, and then we possibly get another ice cream cone tweet, we go to the moon. Okay, and I want to be in for the ride. Next one. I started a position on MKGI. MKGI is NFT play. You'll see my little NFT list. I have this always pulled up, and I'm watching it all the time. Okay, I mean MKGI. I had an order in over here at 315.1. Okay, right above the 20 moving average. To be honest with you, I had kind of forgotten that I put this order in. This was an order in that I had left open since like last week. I mean, it came into it, it filled my order, and then at some point I was down like what 9% on this trade today. Let's take this 351. All right, so at some point I was down 9% on the trade. So what happened was I started seeing volume coming again. All right, volume. I watch volume a lot. If you guys have been following my videos, you'll know that I've been watching volume a lot. All right, so I see volume coming in. I put an order over here to buy more at 351 if it comes and breaks above these levels. I was really hoping that it would hold above the 20 moving average. It didn't. It fell down. So I doubled my position size right here. All right. So it didn't really hold it. It came down. I didn't really do anything about that. Okay, so after hours, it's trading right above the 20 moving average. So we're good. Okay, still looking bullish. See what happens tomorrow. I put an order in to sell, I think around 374 to take some quick, lock in some quick profits. No, actually, you know what? Let me check on my order. What I put my order at? 379. All right, that's where my order's at. Sell at 379. By the way, I'm doing this because I have no way of hiding my my account number and stuff. This is why this screen comes up. I have no other way of showing you my positions without and hide my account number and my account value. All right, and I really don't want to get hacked. I'm just doing this for fun. All right, so yeah, whatever. Let's see. MKGI, it's NFT play. Bought it above the 20, came back above the 20, added more. See what happens tomorrow. I have an order to get filled in these areas. All right. I'm gonna take quick profits. Remember, I tell you guys all the time. I even tweet about it all the time. The minute my stocks start ripping, I like to take profits just to lock it in, so that way, in case it comes back to my original area or fails it, I could stop out and still it can still be a winning trade. All right, there's no need to hold the full size for it to come all the way up here to have unrealized profits and then come all the way back down here and have, you know, have a realized loss. All right, I like to have realized profits, unrealized losses. Okay, so these are all unrealized losses right here, but I have realized profits. Okay, I've been basically having a green day in realized profits almost the last like 20 trading days. I mean, I'm sorry, I might have had one big red day because of Riot. I had to stop out on Riot, but that's about it. All right. So not out of last 20 days, I've probably had 19 green days. All right, as far as realized profits go. Let's go forward. Ethereum. All right, so this is Grayscale Ethereum, ETHE. This is basically an ETF that you can use to kind of trade Ethereum if you can't trade. I mean, if you don't want to, you know, take your money out, put it into Coinbase or a different type of crypto thing. I like it. You know, I mean, GBTC has been good to me. I've traded in the past. So, sorry. All right. So GBTC, Grayscale, Bitcoin Trust, same thing. This one's for Bitcoin. The other one's for Ethereum. That's why I chose to buy it. All right. So this is basically buying Ethereum itself. All right. There's no technical reason for this. Okay. I saw the news in the morning about the Visa accepting the blockchain, accepting Ethereum on their as a form of payment. The Ethereum blockchain, they're going to be using it. So, and they took their first payment today, and that's why this happened. I want to be long Ethereum. All right, I think it has, out of all the cryptos, I think it has the most possible upside. Okay, with NFT, everything that's going on. I've been buying a lot of NFTs. I see how much money you have to invest into Ethereum, how much money is going into Ethereum at the moment. So I think this has a lot of upside. All right. So I just want to hold a little bit of Ethereum. Okay. Just because I want to be in there for, you know, all-time high pushes. So if we're at $16, we get above 25. That'll be great. All right. JFIN, I'm down 13% on it, but I told you guys yesterday that I was expecting a drop on this. All right, this same plan as yesterday. It didn't hold the 9 EMA, came down, it's at the flat bottom. All right, see where it goes from here. I wouldn't be shocked. I mean, I'm not going to stop out of this trade even if it does break below this flat bottom. Comes to the 20. I mean, this is the area that I would be stopping out on this trade. So I have a small position on it. 13% is nothing. It's on a small position. I was expecting that. All right. I went into this trade expecting that. Anytime you trade any of these names, you should be expecting that you're going to be down 13, 15, 17%. You know, you just got to find the right time to add on to your position so you can get that resolution upwards. Okay. I have a good feeling that if we break out, I mean, JFIN is one of the better names in this list. Okay, I mean, it's ridiculous. Okay, TCAT and OCG, I really don't even know. I've tried to do so much research on this company and I can't find anything on them. All right, they have the same exact website, but yet, I mean, I showed you guys yesterday. We all know TCAT is just this month. It's up 4,000%. Okay, that's ridiculous. I mean, look at their website. I want to show you guys something real quick. This is TCAT. All right, and this is OCG. Does it look familiar? I don't know. Okay, I don't know what to think. I don't know anything about these guys. I tried to do a lot of research on them. I couldn't find anything. All right, so JFIN, better name, normal company. Okay, We have a nice technical setup over here, possibly some upside. Let's see what happens. Okay. Skills. All right, so skills, guys. I bought this on Friday when it dipped down and touched the 200 MA over here. Okay, we got a little bit of a rebound. I sold half actually up here at 1940s, I believe. So I sold half of my shares. That's why you'll see over here it's my smallest holding. It's my smallest size. All right. So I sold half of my shares, and then it came back down. All right, but I'm still up. I should still be up on it. I'm up 3% on it. Okay. I'm holding it. Let's just see what happens. I'm not in a rush to sell, and I'm not in a rush to add. Let's kind of see how it resolves. Again, Skills is one of my favorite companies as far as the growth, the recent growth stocks go, because you guys know how I am. I like to trade stuff that I know what they are and I know what they do and I know Skills, and they're a good company. Okay, their games, their apps on the App Store are pretty addicting. My nephews play it all the time, so let's see what happens. Okay, all right, guys. Thank you for tuning in. If you really like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna be trying to put out as many videos as I can, but this one I'm gonna be trying to do updates on my swing trades and my new swing ideas once or twice a week. Okay, that's my goal, but let's just see how it goes. Have a good night, everybody.